Wow, look at this example for water heaters. All you do is pick, I want to show gas water heaters. You push next. You select the packages that you want to show. In this case, it's a power vent with a water softener, and this is a tankless water heater. Maybe we're going to show the most popular, which is a conventional water heater with a water softener. Maybe this 6-year heater here with thermal expansion. And then you put it right on the options page if you want. You push the compare button. You push the financing button. And then here it is. You've got this highest energy efficiency with a water treatment. It's $74 a month at 6.9 or $129 a month, same as cash. The same for the tankless water heater is only $65 a month or $114. Just imagine what would happen to your sales if you were able to quickly put this together, explain the differences in your offerings, all of this information coming over very quickly, and then you can also then say, but I can repair that water heater and it's $416, or I could replace that water heater for $35 a month. What do you want to do? Here's the explanation on the financing. It's a fantastic tool. I would love to walk you through this if you're a plumber and show you how to quickly and easily increase your sales and customer satisfaction. Give us a call, 636-222-2222, or visit us on the web, trade-serve.com. Thanks for your time.